Hello everyone, welcome to iqCode. Today I'm going to show you how to delete the YouTube channel on YouTube. So, I'm going to be using this example account. I'm just going to be deleting this channel. So, I'm going to enter my YouTube studio. You can access here by clicking the account on the top right corner and clicking your channel, which will bring you to your channel. And from here you can just click customize channel. Okay, now from here we're going to click settings. Now we're going to click the channel section in settings. We're going to click advanced settings, and now we're going to scroll down, finding remove YouTube content. Click remove YouTube content. It will bring you to a new tab. Put in your password so it verifies if it is you or not. Now it will bring you to here. If you want to permanently delete your YouTube channel, click on I want to permanently delete my content. And then select this. The following will be permanently deleted. And then you have to select any paid subscription that you own will be cancelled. And then click delete my content. Then you have to type in here your email address. And after that, click delete my content. And now if you go back, and then we will type in youtube.com. You still have your account, but your channel is deleted. Yes, you can see it's a created channel. Your channel is officially deleted. Okay, now thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you.